In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a brushstroke in Figma. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, this step-by-step guide will help you add an artistic flair to your projects. Firstly, let's start by finding a brushstroke image. This could be anything from a simple paint stroke to a more complex artistic design, depending on your preference. Once you've found an image that suits your project, go ahead and save it to your computer. This will be the foundation of our brushstroke effect in Figma. Next, open your Figma design editor. Once you're in, head to the main menu at the top left corner of your screen. Click on File and then select Place Image. Here, you'll be able to upload the brushstroke image you saved earlier. This feature allows you to easily integrate external images into your Figma design. After you've successfully placed your image, scroll down to the bottom of the screen and click on Actions. You'll then see an option for plugins and widgets. In the search bar, type in Image Tracers. You'll notice there are two options: Image Tracer with a blue background icon and Trace Image with a black background icon. For this demonstration, we're going to use the Trace Image plugin with the black background. Keep in mind, once you select this plugin, it may take about 30 seconds for the image to be fully traced. Alternatively, while this tool is free, the Image Tracer with the blue icon offers more advanced features that you can explore if you're interested. To keep things moving smoothly, I've already prepared a traced image so we can proceed without waiting. The next step involves integrating another image on top of your brushstroke image. Lower the opacity of the new image so you can better position it over the brushstroke. This adjustment is key for ensuring that your design elements are aligned just the way you want them. Once you're satisfied with how the images are layered, select both images by clicking and dragging your mouse over them. With both images highlighted, right-click with your mouse and choose Use as Mask from the context menu. This action will combine your images in a unique way, giving you the brushstroke effect you're aiming for. And there you have it. That's how you create a brushstroke in Figma. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you can now bring a new level of creativity to your design projects. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more design tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching and happy designing.